Today, we're diving deep into a common misconception in the world of cameras: megapixel myths. We've all seen ads boasting high megapixel counts, but is that the whole story? Absolutely not. In this video, we'll explore what megapixels actually do and why other features like sensor size, image processing, and low light performance play equally important roles in capturing stunning photos. Let's start with megapixels. Imagine your camera sensor as a canvas. Megapixels represent the tiny squares, or pixels, that capture light and color information. So, more megapixels translate to a higher resolution image with finer details. Great for cropping or printing large photos. But here's the key: cramming more pixels onto the same size sensor can actually have downsides. Sensor size is like the real estate on your camera's canvas. Larger sensors have more space for each pixel, allowing them to capture more light individually. This translates to better low-light performance and cleaner images with less noise, graininess. So, a camera with a larger sensor and fewer megapixels might outperform one with a smaller sensor and a higher megapixel count in low-light situations. Now, the magic doesn't stop at the sensor. Modern cameras are equipped with powerful image processors that take the raw data captured by the sensor and transform it into the final image. Noise reduction, color correction, and detail enhancement are all part of this processing. A good image processor can significantly improve image quality, regardless of megapixel count. So, what camera should you get? The answer depends on your needs. If you primarily share photos online or print smaller sizes, a camera with a good balance of megapixels and sensor size might be ideal. For professional photographers who need exceptional low-light performance and large prints, a camera with a larger sensor and perhaps fewer megapixels could be the better choice. If you're looking for a good balance of megapixels and sensor size, consider mirrorless cameras like the Sony A6400 or the Fujifilm X-T30. For those prioritizing low-light performance, full-frame cameras like the Canon EOS R6 or the Nikon Z6 II are fantastic options. We've included links to resources for researching these cameras in the description below, but keep in mind that pricing can vary depending on the retailer. Remember, megapixels are just one piece of the puzzle. By understanding sensor size, image processing, and how they all work together, you can make an informed decision and capture truly amazing photos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you have any suggestions about choosing the right camera, leave a comment below.